Hello, Chef here. So today I'm here to talk to you a little bit about pears. There's all kinds of pears. The pear was created back in China maybe a few thousand years ago, and it's pretty cool. They're used all over the world. They're all different kinds and varieties out there. This is a red Bartlett pear. It's got another name. People call it the red Williams. I think it depends where you live as to how they identify the pears. It's pretty cool. You got D'Anjou pears, comic pears, all different kinds of pears, Bartlett pears, and Asian pears, all different things. So pears are an excellent source of potassium. They contain a little bit of copper, magnesium, vitamin C. If you got a cold or a sickness, or you're worried about getting a cold, have a pear. It's wonderful. The pear is about 85% water, and it's got a touch of protein, a little fiber in there. Good stuff. I eat a pear once in a while, and you should too. This is why I like to use really good knives. It's just so easy to get the pear you're looking for. That's it. A couple of brown spots on there. No problem. You just give them a little trim. Remove the brown. Don't want to eat that.